tender and juicy children. Hope that doesn't mean you'll eat me. Me. I love children to eat. You really do that, Daddy? Of course I do, son. You should start doing it too. It's a lot of fun. Well, I was considering, but it seems a little harsh, don't you think? Well, we're meant to be mean. Now, go get some children. Those crocodiles look very mean to me. Dun 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 dun. Let's not get eaten by those crocs or we'll be pork chops. Let's stay away from those crocs. Daddy told me I should eat you, and hey, I follow his directions. Oh, no, please don't hurt us. Hurt you? I'm going to kill you. Kill us? That isn't very nice. You should be ashamed of yourself. Really? Of course. She's right. You should be ashamed of yourself. You can't go out eating people. But that's my nature. Well, then, your nature and whatever your father told you is not good. It is very bad. Oh. Wow. Okay. Wow, that was easier than I thought. Yeah. He was just a baby one. What we have to stay away from is the big one. So why didn't you do it? I told you, but you disobeyed me. You disobeyed my rules. But, Daddy, they were so nice. We shouldn't eat them. Yes, we should. That's our nature. Well, little Miss Pretty said it to me that I should be ashamed of myself. Yes, now you should. You should have eaten them up the first chance you got. Oh, well, they just looked so nice and I didn't want to hurt them. Well, you should have. Oh, well, hi. Have you heard of that big, terrible crocodile and his son have came out of the cave again looking for food? Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, no. I better go hide. Hey, my wife and I just beat off a crocodile. Really? Well, it was a baby, but yeah, we did. Well, you're very brave, but as for me, I think I'm gonna get out of this cave or whatever it is we are on. I think I'm gonna go to a Minneapolis where very few crocodiles live and there are very few troubles at all. Troubles are in everyday life. Everyday life is everyday life. You can't escape from troubles. They are in you till the end. Really? Well, no they aren't. I can get away from them. I really can't. But yes, I can. Whatever you say. I'm getting hungry. I need to eat meat. I wish. Oh my God! I'm lost in Antarctica. You're lost. Oh well, I'm so sorry you're lost. Do you need some help getting back home? Well, you look a little scary, and I don't really want to risk it today. Yes, I would not like to risk it with you, so cool. No, wait. But invite you in for a nice cup of tea. You can meet my son, and we can talk. That penguin, he looked rather scared. He's gonna get eaten. I would not want to be in his shoes, but there's nothing I can really do about that. I guess I'll just have to. But wait! I'm brave, I'm cunning, but wait, I know things well. I can save him, I can be a hero. I know I can. Let's go. Save me! I'll save you! I'll get you out of this mouth! You ought to be ashamed of yourself! Go back in that creek with your son and all of your geek! So I ended up saving the day. I ended up doing things right, and it's a happy